Welcome along to day 20 of the 30 Days of Creativity course, and today we're going to be drawing ice cream. I've created a really easy, simple to follow, step-by-step tutorial to show you how to do it. All you will need is your pencil, your eraser, your ink pen. Let's get going. I'm going to sketch these out in pencil, and then when we're happy with the way it looks, I'll redraw in ink, then gently erase the pencil lines, and we'll add a wee bit of colour at the end as well. That's us for day 20 of the 30 Days of Creativity. You can draw a handful of ice creams and popsicles or fill the entire page. It's completely up to you. Join me back here tomorrow for day 21 when we'll be colouring some nice botanical fruits. I'll see you then.